Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's supercapacitors from Cornell Dubilier. The EDS and EDC supercapacitors pack a punch with a capacitance range of 0.047 to 1.5 farads, an operating voltage range of 3.6 to 6.3 volts, and support for high discharge currents. Their high energy capacity makes them useful for providing backup power to integrated circuits or startup current in battery-powered devices. And their coin cell design allows them to be used as a drop-in replacement for coin cell batteries. The EDS and EDC range of supercapacitors operate for extended periods of time at extreme temperature ranges from -25 to 70 degrees Celsius for the EDC series and to 85 degrees Celsius for the EDS series. So if you're looking for a supercapacitor that isn't affected by kryptonite and isn't afraid of unleashing its true power, the Cornell Dubilier range of EDS supercapacitors is definitely the choice for you.